fabulous. Hit my people off with the flow, that be marvelous.
Jayce Jain.
Jayce Jain, a superstar with a rock star attitude.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Tampa, Florida, Jayce Jain.
Jayce is willing to do what's necessary and ready to be savage if she has to.
If she has to, she's usually in a hurry to hurt the competition.
Already so accomplished, I can't wait to see what Jayce does next.
Well, you won't have to wait much longer, Cole.
Thea is here.
Oh, Hail! Yeah!
Representing Jayce Jain from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea Hail!
Having come straight out of high school to NXT, Thea has made it clear she doesn't want her youth to define her.
Yeah, Thea Hail wants to prove that she really is a grown woman who can hold her own.
And that means no more waiting, no more asking for permission. Time to stop being a student and start teaching lessons.
Thea Hail is a true ball of energy with endless potential.
She's been living up to that potential and is ready for the next level.
Well, time will tell if she's got the aggression to get there.
That's the bell, and as you can see, Thea Hail is ready to make a statement here tonight.
Not the most experienced member of the roster, but she's getting better with each match, with every bit of adversity thrown her way. She's looking to be the next big thing here in WWE.
The opportunity to prove herself is hers for the taking. Tonight could be that pivotal moment.
And she's taking on Jayce Jain, who sees herself as a locker room leader of sorts, as the right influence on the women's division. I don't know if anyone else agrees with her, but Jayce has no problem asserting her position in the ring.
Oh, and back to the elbow. Firing with a straight shot there. Answering back. Neither competitor is backing down.
Looks like a hockey fight's just broken out.
Oh, they are emptying their tanks, going back and forth like this.
Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up.
WWE Universe appreciating these athletes going all out.
Thea Hail gets battered as her opponent goes to work.
Gentlemen, you know I love it when Jayce Jain runs her mouth, but tonight, I think she's really going to need focus. A taunt in moderation is fine, but don't go overboard. Save most of the celebrating for the after party.
Good call, Corey, but don't mention the after party while Saxton's here.
He's not invited anyway.
Incredible pressure being put on Thea.
And that's Jain focused and keeping her eye on the prize, not letting up, not giving her an opening to fight back.
Elbow thrown, saying not today.
Thea caught by the counter.
Elbow on the spot.
Strong chop by Jayce Jain and a somersault cutter. Jayce Jain showing why she is the one to watch.
Definitely not someone to take lightly.
And Jayce Jain gets all of the discus big boot.
That could end Hail right now.
An emphatic victory.
Here is your winner, Jayce Jain.
Jayce Jain racking up quite the win here in this one.
Thea Hail still has a lot to learn in this industry, and this loss proves it.
I'm sure she'll take this loss as a learning opportunity.
Up high, all the way to the outside. Spiked. Goes under the ropes to get back inside. She's looking for something under the ring to even her odds here.
She's ready to do some serious damage, courtesy of that steel chair.
She's setting the chair up. This is not going to be pretty. Places her right in the corner.
Oh no, trapping the arm. Vicious stomps to the hand.
Running clothesline.